Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Here, the world unfolds on a grand scale. Misty mountains, ancient and silent, rise above vast, sweeping valleys. Rivers like the Yangtze and Yellow carve through the land, shaping both geography and history. Terraced fields climb the hillsides, a testament to generations of human effort. In the early morning, cool air and gentle mist create a dreamlike scene. As the sun rises, the true texture of the mountains emerges, steep, rugged, marked by wind and rain. Small trees cling to cliffs, rivers glisten in sunlight, and the only sounds are water and distant birds. This is a land of immense natural beauty, where nature's patience and power are always present. The mountains and rivers have inspired artists and poets for thousands of years. Even as cities rise and technology advances, the landscape's enduring strength remains. It is a reminder of the forces that have shaped this part of the world. The scale is immense, the beauty profound. Here, nature operates on a timeline far beyond our own. The land invites quiet observation, a place to watch, listen, and reflect. This natural world is the foundation for everything else. It is a constant presence, a backdrop to all human activity. The connection to something timeless and fundamental is felt everywhere. It is a world of silent mountains and flowing rivers, a land of deep and lasting peace. The story of this land is written in its geography: high plateaus, vast plains, deserts, and forests. This varied terrain shaped distinct cultures and ways of life. For millennia, people adapted, learning to live in harmony with the land. Mountains offered protection. River valleys provided sustenance. Old walls and fortifications snake across hills, silent reminders of past empires. These structures, built stone by stone, speak of a desire for order and security. Farmers still work the land as their ancestors did, repeating ancient cycles. The past is not gone. It lives in the present. Great canals connected rivers, unifying a sprawling land and enabling trade. These feats of engineering show deep understanding of geography and vision for the future. Historic foundations are not relics. They enable modern development. The old and new are woven together in a complex pattern. This land has always been a place of grand projects and ambition. The works of nature and humanity exist side by side, a testament to resilience and ingenuity. The story of China is one of adaptation, building, and enduring connection to ancient soil. Shanghai rises from the Yangtze Delta, a forest of steel and glass, its skyline a symbol of modern ambition. The Oriental Pearl Tower and Shanghai Tower dominate, illuminated in dazzling color at night. The Huangpu River divides the historic Bund from futuristic Pudong. Ferries and barges glide across the water, lights trailing like comets. Life moves fast. Business people stride through gleaming malls and offices. Technology is seamlessly woven into daily life, from mobile payments to real-time transit updates. The metro system, clean and efficient, keeps the city moving. Yet, in older neighborhoods, narrow lanes reveal a slower pace. Neighbors chat, children play, and architecture blends Chinese and European styles. These quiet corners balance the city's relentless energy. Even in this modern metropolis, community and tradition remain strong. Shanghai is a city of contrasts, where the future is built without erasing the past. The city's pulse is both global and deeply local. Here, ambition and heritage coexist. Shanghai stands as a testament to China's evolving identity. Once fishing villages, Shenzhen is now a global center for technology and innovation. Its skyline of sleek towers houses leading tech companies and ambitious young minds. The city buzzes with possibility and relentless forward motion. Designed for the digital age, Shenzhen is a smart city. Technology manages everything from traffic to energy. Engineers and designers collaborate in co-working spaces, building the future. Electric buses, drones, and shared bikes are part of daily life. Technology is not just a tool, it's the city's identity. Shenzhen's population is among the youngest in China, fueling its creative energy. Public squares come alive at night with dance and recreation. Families fly kites in green parks, balancing hard work with community. The city is a living laboratory, constantly testing new ways of living. Shenzhen represents a new model of urban life. Innovative, sustainable, and youthful. It is a place where the future is not just imagined, but built. Here, ambition and optimism shape every day. Chongqing rises from the confluence of two rivers, clinging to steep hills and mountains. The city grows vertically, buildings stacked, roads winding, bridges leaping across valleys. From afar, it resembles a man-made mountain range, its peaks glowing at night. Navigating Chongqing is an adventure. Roads on the 10th floor, metros passing through apartment blocks. Cable cars and enormous bridges connect this three-dimensional metropolis. The city's infrastructure is a triumph over gravity and terrain. Daily life is shaped by geography. Residents are resilient, accustomed to steep climbs. Chongqing's culture is vibrant, famous for spicy hot pot and lively street food. Friends gather around bubbling pots, sharing food and conversation. The city's lights reflect on the river, fog mingling with skyscrapers for dramatic vistas. Chongqing is constantly growing, new buildings and bridges always under construction. It is both a modern powerhouse and a place with deep local roots. The city defies easy categorization: industrial yet beautiful, challenging yet inspiring. Chongqing symbolizes China's drive to build and expand, even in the toughest environments. Here, human ingenuity meets the wild landscape. The result is a city like no other. China's vast distances are bridged by a high-speed rail network, sleek trains gliding across plains, valleys, and rivers. Journeys that once took days now take hours, transforming the concept of distance. The network is an engineering marvel: thousands of miles of track, tunnels through mountains, bridges over gorges. These structures are more than infrastructure. They symbolize connection and unity. Bridges, from simple spans to record-breaking giants, leap across sea channels and canyons. Their elegant designs complement the natural scenery, testaments to ambition and skill. High-speed rail stations are modern marvels, vast, efficient, and clean. This network ties the country together, facilitating the flow of people, goods, and ideas. It stimulates economic growth, linking rural areas to urban opportunities. The Great Connectors are the arteries of modern China. They represent a nation on the move, striving to bring its people closer. The landscape is transformed by these feats of engineering. Travel is now seamless, comfortable, and fast. China's rail and bridges are the backbone of its modern transformation. In parks and squares, the day begins with Tai Chi, graceful, meditative movements connecting generations. Kites fill the morning sky, flown by young and old, their colors dancing in the wind. These simple pleasures are threads of continuity in a rapidly changing world. Street food stalls fill the air with the scent of dumplings, noodles, and grilled meats. Vendors work with practiced speed, serving quick, delicious meals to busy city dwellers. These rituals are the heart of daily life, moments of community, tradition, and comfort. Children chase pigeons, men play chess, laughter echoes in the squares. Life is lived on a human scale, even amidst grand cities and infrastructure. The small, repeated rituals give shape and meaning to people's lives. They reveal the true character of a place. Amidst the rush, there is always time for connection. These scenes are the soul of the nation. They show that progress and tradition can coexist. Beyond the cities, the landscape softens into ancient water towns and lush bamboo forests. Canals replace streets, stone bridges arc over calm water, and whitewashed houses line the banks. Life moves at the pace of the water. Boats glide silently, routines unchanged for centuries. These towns are living museums preserving history and tranquility. Further inland, bamboo forests rise, tall, green, and serene. Wind rustles the stalks. Light filters softly, creating a peaceful, cathedral-like atmosphere. The bamboo symbolizes strength and flexibility, qualities deeply valued in Chinese culture. These landscapes offer retreat and reflection, balancing rapid modernization. Families visit water towns. Hikers find peace in bamboo groves. Preservation of these places is part of the national identity. Progress does not erase the past. The old and new enrich each other. Here, history and nature remain vital and alive. Modern China is a nation in perpetual motion. Futuristic skylines, high-speed trains, ancient temples in a single frame. The country expands upward, outward, and inward, technology woven into daily life. Across the land, Construction cranes' new infrastructure signal relentless progress. Green energy projects rise in the north ports, and logistics hubs in the south, new roads in the west. Yet ancient rhythms persist. Farmers plant by the seasons, families celebrate traditional festivals. China seeks balance between new and old, global and local, individual and collective. The story is a complex tapestry. History, nature, and innovation intertwined. Contrasts abound. Misty mountains, neon cities, water towns, and smart zones. There is no simple conclusion. The story is still being written. The land evolves, shaped by nature's power and human energy. It is a world of constant motion, ever-changing and remarkable.
Thank you for traveling with Dream Destiny Destinations. Subscribe and let the next adventure begin. See you in the next journey.